Wow, you want to eat my food, my bread? Wow, you want to eat my food? Look at this bird. Wow. Oh, look at this guy. This is really amazing. Oh, you want to steal my food. Give it to me. Go, go. Hello, friends. So today I'm having Chapli Kabab here in Frankfurt with naan. I'm here. It's Mama food. Here's your boy having some snacks. I love it. So let's try it, guys. So I'm gonna add some bread with it. Let's try this Mama's Chapli Kabab. How is it? Just for €7 with this bread. Oh, not bad. Good. I have to take this first to have a good grasp because I just was handing the camera, with the cloth. So, there's chutney, very famous Afghan thing, chutney. Chutney is a batter paste, but made of green pepper, and some yogurt. Cool. I'm here in Frankfurt, right? In Frankfurt, Bahnhof, in front of me. So, you are getting some food as well. You also want to have some food. Food. So look at this, guys. Wow. Wow. You want to eat my food, my bread? Oh. This is amazing, guys. Wow. Well, you want to eat my food? Whoa. Look at this bird. Wow. Oh. Look at this guy. This is really amazing. Oh, you want to steal my food. Give it to me. Well, give it to you. Let's. Okay. Come on. Okay. Go, go. Very good. There's nothing wrong. So guys, I just ran away because of the birds. This was today's vlog. and yeah, I'll go and buy Coke here. I think they will not be happy with the camera, so I will just take my this. Oops, oh, my bag just slipped away. You know, some shops they allow cash. So in this shop. Look, my Coca-Cola, and now I have to go. Some shops, you know, they accept cash. So the main point is to people should behave good with the customers. You know what I'm saying? Germany, life is beautiful. Yeah. So let's see, and I will go there forward, and I will just have my lunch because today is a holiday. So I'll have to eat my lunch and have fun, you know. Yeah. See you. I came here and I will eat my food here in peace. As you can see here, not that much birds, not as many as there in the previous place. And it's also riverside, and yeah, there are some ships, as you can see, waiting for passengers, for their rich passengers, happy people. And I'm here with my Chapli Kabab, and this is my Coca-Cola. I'll eat it right away, guys, in peace. So yeah, just stay with me if you like it, and yeah, we'll talk later. And so yeah, thank you very much. All the best.